No, we don't.
The tiniest pillows I have ever seen. Not that the beds are any bigger.
So, what do we need to talk about?
So we're in Helsinki. Well, actually, I don't think we're actually in Helsinki.
We're like by the airport, like 5 minutes. For this hotel,
There's hair everywhere. That's not ours.
that is not ours. We had to get new blankets because there was hair all in the bed, like it wasn't even washed.
I broke my plug converter,
Yeah.
and then I broke my hair dryer, which is why I don't have one.
It sounded like a goat was going off when I was taking a shower. It's like,
Amy, what is that?
"Meow." But other than that, I mean, I would rate this hotel, if I had to, as in cheap, one night stay only, like how we are,
It
definitely.
wasn't that cheap though. I think we paid like $90.
Wasn't that cheap?
I mean, the staff's very nice,
Staff's nice.
and the food was really good.
Yeah. The food was good. The burger could have been cooked a little bit longer, but that's just my own preference.
The fries were good.
Oh my god, they were so delicious.
Yeah, food's good. Staff is nice.
Oh, and they eat reindeer here, just so you know.
Maybe I'll get Tiffany to try it.
Ugh.
Ugh. Bye.
Bye!